Hello, this is Dr. Liu at LeTime. I was asked questions how to make essential oil at home. And in this video, I want to demonstrate you how to make a lavender essential oil by steam distillation and explain the 3 key points you should be careful when you want to make a high yield of essential oil. And last, I will talk about the uses of this wonderful lavender essential oil and the problems can be helped to be solved by the oil. Hello my friend, if you are new to this channel, in this channel I focus on the benefits of different herbs and how to use them, and including how to extract them by doing distillation, tincture, infusion, and use the products for the skin care, hair care, and also the ailment treatment. Today I'm going to present you how to make a lavender essential oil by steam distillation. If you are new to the distillation is a way to extract the herbs, extract the essential components out of the herbs to make essential oil or hydrosol. Distillation has two major ways. So one way is hydrodistillation. You mix herbs with water in the pot and boil it, collect the steam. And today we are doing the steam distillation. I'm using the LeTime LT3000 distiller, and this is a column. So if we fill the column with the lavender, and then the steam will go through it, extract the essential components, and then condense back into oil or hydrosol. So the first important point is use the lavender buds. The lavender buds has the most essential components, then it's a leaf and a stem. So we use the right part to get the best quality of the products. One column take around 130 gram of the dry flower. The benefit of LT3000 is you can have another column filled with lavender and then stack them. So stack them together. So this can double the yield of the essential oil and hydrosol. The second point is do steam distillation rather than hydrodistillation. About the heating level, in the beginning we can set up the full heat, and after it starts boiling, and you got to set up at a medium high. This can help avoid the overheat of the herb during the distillation and also keep the process more efficient. The third point is use oil hydrosol separator. So this is a little device that can help separate the oil and hydrosol. What it does is it keeps collecting the distillate. The distillate go into the main chamber, and then they separate them, the hydrosol at the bottom, oil at the top, and the hydrosol will flow out continuously. So you can always have the oil collected in this the main chamber. I have another video explain the detail how to use it and how to operate it. Please look at that video about the oil and the hydrosol separator. So now I demonstrate you how to make a lavender essential oil by steam distillation at home. How do we use the lavender essential oil? The first one, put in a diffuser before you go to bed and have a good sleep, the beautiful scent lavender aroma. The second use is when you have a stress or anxiety, put drops on the palm and scrub it and smell it. This can help you to calm and relax. And the third one is for the bug bites. After the sting by the mosquitoes, have a drop on that spot and it will help calm the itchy and reduce inflammation quickly. And the fourth one is help gum inflammation. Just wipe a couple drops on there. You feel bitter, not swallow it, just let it sit there, and this will help relieve the pain and reduce inflammation. And the fifth one, if you have a minor burn, So one day I was handling a pot, I forgot it's hot, so it make my palm is red, and I just wrapped the lavender essential oil on it, reduce the pain and swollen, and it works very well. Thank you for watching. Please leave questions down at the comment section, or how you use the lavender essential oil and hydrosol. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and see you next time.